Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Porto. Welcome to the GNU Tools Cauldron 2025. We'll start with a brief talk from the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering of University of Porto, Professor Rui Calçada, and then we'll discuss, just a moment, and then we'll go forward from there to the director or the head of the Department of Informatics from FIOP. And then later on, I'll describe a little bit the site, where are the rooms, and also explain a little bit how do we go to the event, and so on. Thank you, everyone.
So, good morning. So, dear Yandex team organizers, dear colleagues, distinguished invited speakers, valued sponsors, participants, and honored guests. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to the GNU Tools Cauldron 2025, hosted here at the Faculty of Engineering of the University of Porto. We are truly honored to host this prestigious international conference, which brings together some of the world's leading experts within the GNU Toolchain community. At FIOP, we have a long tradition of commitment to technological innovation, open science, and collaborative development. This makes it particularly meaningful for us to host this gathering, which represents not only a technically outstanding community, but also a philosophy of sharing, cooperation, and freedom at the very heart of free and open source software. So, congratulations for this. The impact of the GNU Toolchain is profound and global. It underpins major Linux distributions that support research, industry, digital governance, and the wider knowledge economy. I welcome this conference. FIOP reaffirmed its mission to be a place where knowledge is open to the world and where students, researchers, and professionals can learn, contribute, and help transform society through engineering. I'd like also to highlight the value of this event for our academic community. Our students and faculty are encouraged to take part and to draw inspiration from this exchange of ideas that continue to shape the future of computing. Conferences such as this build bridges between academia and global developer communities, opening pathways to international collaboration and impactful professional careers. On behalf of the Faculty of Engineering of the University of Porto, I thank the organizing committee for the trust placed in us and for selecting our institution as host. I wish you all a highly productive conference filled with constructive debate, innovation, and strengthening of international ties within this remarkable community. Welcome to Porto, to FIOP, and to this space where ideas and the future comes together. So, thank you very much and welcome.
So hello, good morning to all of you, and it's a pleasure. So I would like to welcome, on behalf of the Informatics and Engineering Department of the faculty, all of you, especially this remarkable, amazing community, and our students, as volunteers that are here, also assisting also the event. So it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure because this is a community that we really recognize as important, and it's a pleasure to be the first time also, because it is the first time, I think, in Portugal, and especially it is in Porto. So I think the relevance of the GNU as a community and contributions is unquestionable, and this reflects, of course, in the tools that you maintain and develop in very different ways and in very different impacts, in innovation, in research, also activities, in discovering some science and inventions, and also for the people good at all, I think, as an ultimate goal of the community. So I personally was involved as this shaped my life also in terms of career, so the GNU tools. So I personally use a lot of tools, so like GCC, Make, gprof, and others. So this also influenced myself also in terms of the teaching, in terms of research as compiler researcher and also computer architecture researcher. So I think it's very important, and it also influenced us in terms of some of the courses that we have. So to have an idea, we are completely aligning in some of the courses with some of the tools from GNU, like the compilers, course, the mandatory course, operating systems, programming systems. So they use a lot of tools from GNU. And it's important for our students because of the basics that are there and fundamentals that we can expose with these tools also. Okay? So, but I must confess or admit, I'm a bit envy about this community because of the tools that you provide, because of the way you provide the tools, because of providing and developing and working on this without seeking personal visibility. This is also very important, I think, and also because of course, of the free software foundation or philosophy, let's say. So, on behalf of our informatics and computing engineering community here at the Faculty of Engineering, I would like to express my gratitude for all the contributions and the role of GNU. So I hope these days in Porto inspire all of you, and I wish you a very productive and successful event. So enjoy it, and thank you very much. And also enjoy Porto, because you are in Porto. So thank you.
Okay, so just to mention the event today, because the university is within classes. The talks will be on this room and B032, which is following the corridor and then on the right. And then there is another room, the I-105, which is down the corridor near the breakfast area. And then you turn left, turn right, and then in the corner of the building. So I believe there are signs over there. So regarding the event dinner tomorrow, so we need to actually take the metro because we are a lot of us. I propose you to actually get tickets today for the metro, such that you'll be able to reach that station. So either the first station of after the bridge, or the second. The first one has a nice walk down the hill and then up the hill with a view to the river, so for those that want to see it. And the second one it's more straightforward. It doesn't not climb so much and so on. But I'm pretty sure that will be volunteers to help us out going there. It'll be fine. I believe that's all. So enjoy the conference and let's have a good Cauldron this year. Thank you.